Nissan Pathfinder, removing the steering pump motor electronic. So I will show you only for how to open step by step. Okay, open soon. First this one. So there is one board here and that another side also board. Why I open the steering pump motor? Because I need to replace the engine mounting. Okay. Now there is a axis for open the engine mounting. See so because if the steering pump is still in the mounted, we cannot remove that engine mounting. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Black 646 Garage.